Our story picks up with the customer, who has already filled out the necessary forms and received an internet banking admin name via SMS. However, the bank claims it cannot process the information provided. Frustrated, the customer decides to visit the branch directly. Upon arrival, she questions the officer about the lack of follow-up, only to be met with a dismissive response that the necessary actions have been taken. Without clear instructions on how to use the admin password, the customer requests to make a transfer over the counter. The bank officer, after a brief check on her computer, informs the customer that her account is restricted and isn't activated for transfers or withdrawals. Imagine the shock. No prior information, no warnings. And in a hypothetical life or death situation, no access to her own funds. The customer requests the closure of the account, fills out the necessary documentation, and informs the bank officer of her decision. The officer, in a belated attempt to salvage the situation, apologizes and promises to rectify the issues within 24 hours. Days roll by with no resolution. The customer, pushed to her limits, screams a bit, visits another branch, and finally, on the 25th of March 2024, she manages to activate tokens and complete the transfer. What a challenging journey it has been, spanning across 10 grueling days. The key takeaway from this narrative is the pressing need for banks to monitor customer journeys closely. It's vital to identify points of failure and, even more importantly, to leverage the right technology to automate personalized engagement. To discuss how we've partnered with the best tech companies in the world to help African banks overcome such challenges, leave your email in the comments section. Let's work together to make banking a seamless experience for everyone.